Hello everyone. So today I'm going to introduce you on the GERD medical terminology. So what is mean by GERD? GERD is the medical condition which known as gastroesophageal reflux disease. In this condition, your gastric pipe has lots of secretion of gastric juices, which is your stomach acid, so which is getting reversed to your esophageal system up to your this area, up to your this area is covering badly because of the acid reflux which is coming over upstress. So to maintain that GERD condition very well, whoever they are suffering from GERD in your family, whoever known people to you, so just tell them they need to have basically non-spicy bland light meals with their regular intake. Okay, and they need to maintain their intake of tea and coffee, a lot of intake of tea and coffee which has a lot of caffeine and tannin, which again aggravates the acid level in the system, in the stomach system. So they are not supposed to have more amount of tea and coffee while sleeping, bedtime and night time, whenever they are lying down. So just tell them to make sure that this position has to be elevated little. They cannot go completely in the supine position. So they can have one extra pillow while having while they are going for the bedtime, so that reflux wherever comes they may not feel discomfort because of the because of the acid reflux. So just tell them to take the extra pillow, soft pillow, to make their head elevated. This is the second guideline I will say. And they should not go more for spice, condiment, chilies, this masalas, whatever we are using for preparation of our food. So they should not go more for the spicy thing a lot. And before bedtime, at least their bedtime, their sleeping time and their meal, dinner, whatever they are consuming, it should be having at least 3 hours interval of gap. Their dinner consumption and their bedtime, it has to be 3 hours gaps of interval. So again the digestion of food will not irritate them. This is the another point. And one more important thing, they should not wear any tight fitting cloth over this area while for going for sleep. They should not wear any tight fitting clothes over this area, so the stomach system will get, the pressure or the something, what secretion of acid will get reflux over this area. So just nice soothing clothes, whatever comfortable, whatever night suit or whatever comfortable suit regular they are wearing, they should go for that. So these are the few guidelines. If they are going to maintain very well, they can have the GRD condition maintained very well in their daily regular life wherever they are going for the office schedule, or wherever they are at home level, or wherever they are going for any outing or wherever. So just few guidelines to maintain their GRD. Just try to follow them regularly. Thank you.